Hi, welcome to the study of matrix. Today's focus is multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Let us consider matrix A, which has this element 5, 0, 8, and 6. So 2A, to get 2A here means that you write 2 bracket 5, 0, 8, 6. So which is equal to like writing 5, 0, 8, 6 that way plus uh, plus 5, 0, 8, 6. So from there, what you do, you want the corresponding matrix. So you want the 5 plus 5, which will give you 10. You want 8 plus 8, which will give you 16. 0 plus 0, which will give you 0. Then you want 6 plus 6, which will give you 12. Or or you say 2 times 5 to give you 10. 2 times 8, 16. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 6, 12. So if you have 3a, this means that you have 3. A is 5, 0, 8, 6. So you multiply each of the elements with 3. So 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 6 is 18. That way. 4a means that you have 4. Then you write the matrix of A, which is 5, 0, 8, 6. Then you multiply each element with the 4. So 4 times 5 will give you 20. 4 times 8 will give you 2. 4 times 0 will give you 0. 4 times 6 will give you 24. 24 that way. So that is how you multiply a matrix with their scalar. So you multiply each element of the matrix with a given scalar. So the next part we want to look at the square matrix. A matrix is called square when the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. When the number of rows is equal to the number of columns, then that matrix is called a square matrix. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. So the order of a square matrix, it is n by n. Like here now, we have this matrix of order. This matrix here, the number of rows is 2 and the number of columns is 2. So this kind of a matrix here is a square matrix of order 2. This other one here, we have 3 rows, and we have 3 columns. So this is a square matrix of order 3, 3 by 3, 3 by 3. Also, you could have another matrix here of this nature. This is a square matrix of order 2. Because the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. If you have another matrix here of this nature, clearly here, this matrix has 3 rows and it has 3 columns. So it is a square matrix of order 3, 3 by 3, 3 by 3. Order is given by rows multiplied by column. So to identify square matrix, you just check the number of rows and when the number of rows is equal to the number of columns, then that one will be a square matrix. How do we determine the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, or in the other ones, this element here, element element along this line, these ones, this is called main diagonal or a principal diagonal. This other element here on the other diagonal, these ones are called the element on the other diagonal. So determinant of matrix A is written as DA, is simply given by the product of the element of the main diagonal, that is A times D. So AD minus the product of element on the other diagonal. In our case, it is BC. So to get the determinant of a square matrix, which is 2 by 2, it is very simple. It is the product of the element on the main diagonal, and then you subtract the product of the element on the other diagonal. For example, if you are given A, matrix A as element 1, 2, 3, 4, as you can see, this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So to determinant DT stands for determinant of matrix A, will be given by product of the element of the main diagonal, that is 1 times 4. 1 times 4 will give you 4, minus product of element on this other diagonal, that is 2. 2 times 3, which is 6. So 4 minus 6 will give you negative 2. So simply to get the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, you get the product of element on the main diagonal, and you subtract the product of element on the other diagonal, as shown there. So today we have considered determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, which is given by the product of matrix of the product of the element on the main diagonal minus the product of element on the other diagonal. Number 2, we have looked at the square matrix, and the matrix is square when the number of rows is equal to the number of columns, and it is given by n times n. Like this, it is a square matrix which is 2 by 2. This other one is a square matrix which is 3 by 3. Finally, we have looked at how to multiply a matrix by a scalar quantity. For example, given matrix A, to get 2A, you simply multiply every element of this matrix by 2. To get 3A, you multiply every element with this matrix by 3, as shown there. To get 4A, you multiply each and every element inside of this matrix by 4 to obtain your result as indicated there. So thanks so much for watching this video with me. For other videos on matrix, kindly remember to check in my YouTube channel, or you can also check in the link below, so that you may stand with me. If you have not already subscribed, kindly do so that we may continue learning together. Also remember to tune on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a video concerning mathematics, you are going to be notified, which I do on a daily basis. Thanks so much. See you in the next video.